Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 11.4. In this question you are given two cylinders and the dimensions of these cylinders are interchanged. Means here the diameter of this is the height of this second cylinder and the height of this is diameter of this second cylinder. So there are two parts in this. First of all you have to find the cylinder whose volume is greater, and in the second case you have to check whether the cylinder having greater volume also has greater surface area or not. So first of all you have to find its volume, means the cylinder having greater volume. So the volume of a cylinder is given as pi r square h. This is the formula for volume. So if I have to calculate for cylinder A, the volume will be equals to pi into r. Here diameter is 7, so clearly the r will be 7 by 2. So this will be 7 by 2 whole square and multiplied by its height. So this is the volume for first, and if I calculate the volume for second, again it will be pi. Here it will be, the diameter is 14, so clearly the radius will be of 7 centimeters. So this will be pi r square into h. So first of all you have to find the cylinder whose volume is greater without calculating it. So if I look this volume and this volume, so clearly this pi is constant. So the volume will depend on this radius, because here the radius is there is radius square, means this radius will be multiplied 2 times, and here this radius will be multiplied 2 times. So clearly we can say that the cylinder having greater radius will have greater volume, because here the radius is multiplied 2 times. So 7 square will be 49, and here it is 3.5. So 3.5 square will be around 9 or will be around 10 or 11. So here this value is multiplied with 10. Here this value is multiplied with 49. So clearly this value will be greater. So we can conclude that the cylinder having more base radius will have more volume. Now let's solve this to find out whether we are correct or not. Pi value will be 22 upon 7. This will be 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 14 multiplied by divided by 2 by 2. This is 7 square will be 7 multiplied by 2, 7, and 2 multiplied by 2. This can be cancelled 7. This can be cancelled 11 times, and this can be cancelled 7. So here the value will be equals to 7 into 7 is 49 into 11. So this will be equals to 11 into 9 is 99, carry 9, 11 into 4 is 44, and 44 plus 9 will be 53. So this will be 539 cube. So the volume of this first cylinder will be 539 cube. Now let's calculate the volume of second one. This will be 22 upon 7. This will be 7 into 7 into 7. So this can be cancelled. And here clearly the volume will be greater, because here it is 49 is multiplied by 11, here 49 is multiplied by 22. So here the volume will be twice, because this can be written as 2 into 11 into 49, and 11 into 49 is 539. So here it will be 539 is multiplied by 2. The multiplication of 11 is and 49 is 539. So this will be 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 7. So here the volume of this second cube will be equals to 1078. So here the answer is correct. Now you have to check whether the cylinder having more volume is also have more surface area or not. So the surface area of cylinder is basically 2 pi r bracket में r plus h. This is the total surface area of a cylinder. So let's find the total surface area for cylinder A. So here the total surface area will be equals to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7. Here in the first case the radius is 7 by 2 and radius is 7 by 2 and height is 14. Now solving this, 7 can be cancelled 7, 2 can be cancelled with 2, this will be 22 and this will be 7 plus 28 upon 2. I have taken 2 as LCM and then I have solved. This can be cancelled 11 times and this will be equals to 11 into 35. So this will be equals to 55. So the cylinder A will have a total surface area of 385 centimeters square. Now let's calculate the surface area for cylinder B. Again the surface area will, the formula for the surface area will remain same. So 2 multiplied by pi will be equals to 22 upon 7. For the second cylinder, the radius is 7 because the diameter is 14. So the radius will be 7. And here r plus h, the radius is 7 and similarly the height is also equals to 7. So solving this, this can be cancelled. This will be equals to 44 and this will be equals to 14. So here the surface area will be equals to 44 is multiplied by 14. So this will be so here the surface area will be 616 centimeters square. So clearly the cylinder B having the more surface area. So clearly the more volume, the more surface area a cylinder has. So this is how you can solve this particular question. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact to us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you.